Hello everyone. So let's continue. One more feature of session 4. So Excel advanced functions. To be honest with you, they are regular functions. So, so here, this is another slide, named arrays. So we are going to talk about named arrays. Any cell can be given a name. Instead of A1, C1, D1, instead of saying, you can say year, date of birth. You can put a name to a cell. So even the entire array, you can put a name. So in this example, so that we have on in front of us, so the A1 to C3. So A1 to C3 is this table here. A1 to C3. A1 is this one. C3 is this one. So A1 to C3 is the array. So you can name that as an array. You select all the cells, and then in the corner here you write down array 1. And then the whole thing becomes an array 1. Then whether you write down some array 1 or some A1, A1 C3 array, it's still the same answer you get. So you'll get the same answers. So if you want to put another array, for example, so this one is, I think this is the array 2. So array 1 is this one. Array 2 is this one. If you go to the formula, define names and name manager, you look at them, so you will see array 1 and array 2. So this is called naming and using them as, with names instead of, the A1, C1, it will be, much more intuitive. So let me show it to you an example. If I go to Excel, the same thing I'll do. Go here. So I'm going to write down, okay, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, and 1, 0, 2, and 25, 32, 11, for example. These are the values there. So you can actually say sum of all these values. That is A1 to C3. The array is A1 to C3. Actually, it's a table. If you enter it, that's the value 81. So I can actually put all these values together like a table. And instead of writing down A1 here, I will write down array 1. That is array 1. Enter. You have to enter. Then it became array 1. So now equal to sum of array 1, the array 1, sum of array 1 is the same value there. So it will be much more intuitive to say this. So for example, you can even put an individual value to be for example, I will say this value, okay, price of an apple, okay, 50 cents, 0.50. Okay. So instead of B9, I can say price of apple. Price of apple. Enter it. Now if I say, for example, I buy 10 apples multiplied by price of apple. Price of apple. Price of apple. Double click on it. So it immediately highlighted the 0.5. Enter it. You get $5. 10 apples cost you $5. So I can even put, another array. Okay. And right now you see 32, 1, 3, it's a 42. I'm just putting random numbers I'm putting. I'm nothing to, no logic. Just all of these are array 2. I can write down, go here now, array 2. Enter. So I got the array 1 and array 2. Now if you go to the formulas, click on the formulas, a lot of formulas are there, and then you go name manager here, and you see array 1, array 2, price of apple. The only way to remove them is select all these ones. I don't want to keep the names and remove them. You can delete them if you wish to. Otherwise, they will not go away. It will be there always. Click OK. So it's a name error because that error one doesn't make any sense. So, and also price of apple here is also doesn't make any sense because it deleted them. This formulas tab here on the navigation bar, if you don't have it, you have to go to the, customize ribbon. So customize ribbon, and then you will see all these navigation bars here. So if you get them to the other side, okay, you select any one of them, for example, email, select them. Put this one, then it'll be added here. Like a home, insert, draw. This is the navigation bar. So like that. So I'm canceling it here. I'm not doing anything. So that's naming a particular values or a table named arrays. So if I go format as a table, you can also format as a table. So look at after these two slides, I will actually close the post it. So like earlier, post video. So the column one, column two, column three, and create table. You can go to you can highlight these ones, okay, and then go to the format table, which is in the home, okay, and then you can create table, okay, and A1, A2, and that will be added as table one. If you want to give the table one, put a name to it. So, and you can use the same thing, similar way. Format as a table is another way of doing. So enhanced management, offers you enhanced data management visualization capabilities because you can actually use, tables and automatically expand some features you can add there. So I will stop here and post the video, and the remaining thing I create another one. Thank you.